Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about chin. Hangman's fracture causes spondylolisthesis of C2 over C3. In Hangman's fracture, it is typically seen when the knot is at the chin. Hangman's fracture is a fracture dislocation of C2 and C3 level. It is a bilateral fracture of either pedicles or lamina of C2. So either it should be a dislocation of C2 and C3 level, or it can be bilateral fracture of either pedicles or lamina of C2. Any one of these is called as Hangman's fracture. Thank you, and thank you for watching.